Article 243ZK of the Indian Constitution deals with the election of members to the Board of Cooperative Societies. This provision is part of Part 9B, which was introduced by the 97th Constitutional Amendment Act, 2011, focusing on the governance of cooperative societies. Here's a breakdown of the article. 1. Timely elections. Notwithstanding anything contained in any law made by the legislature of a state, the elections for the board of a cooperative society must be held before the expiry of the term of the current board. This is to ensure that newly elected members take charge immediately upon the expiry of the term of the outgoing board. The clause aims to ensure that there is no vacuum in the leadership of the cooperative society and that the functioning of the board continues smoothly. 2. Supervision and control of elections. The superintendence, direction, and control of the preparation of electoral rolls and the conduct of elections to cooperative societies are vested in an authority or body designated by the state legislature. This means that the state legislature has the power to create laws that govern which authority or body will manage the electoral process for cooperative societies. Proviso, exception clause. The state legislature is also empowered to make laws regarding the procedure and guidelines for the conduct of such elections. This provides flexibility to the state governments to enact detailed election procedures that ensure proper governance and transparency in the election process of cooperative societies. Purpose of Article 243ZK. It ensures that there is a democratic process in the election of cooperative society boards. The focus is on ensuring timely elections and smooth transitions of power within cooperative societies, while also giving the state legislature authority to regulate the election process. In summary, Article 243ZK provides a constitutional framework for the timely and orderly election of members to the boards of cooperative societies and empowers the state legislature to supervise and regulate these elections. The Constitution of India. Part 9B. The Cooperative Societies. Article 243ZK. Election of members of board. 1. Notwithstanding anything contained in any law made by the legislature of a state, the election of a board shall be conducted before the expiry of the term of the board so as to ensure that the newly elected members of the board assume office immediately on the expiry of the term of the office of members of the outgoing board. 2. The superintendence, direction and control of the preparation of electoral rolls for, and the conduct of, all elections to a cooperative society shall vest in such an authority or body, as may be provided by the legislature of a state, by law. Provided that the legislature of a state may, by law, provide for the procedure and guidelines for the conduct of such elections.